Greetings, logo enthusiasts and digital artists. Today, we're going to learn an exciting technique to transform hand-drawn logos into sleek and professional digital versions using the power of AI. And the best part, it's super easy and absolutely free. So let's dive right in and elevate your logo game with this tutorial. Once on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to kick off our logo transformation process. Click Import Image. Upload the hand-drawn logo image that you want to digitize and enhance. Adjust the size. Select Image to Image as the transformation type for our project. Click on Auto Prompt to let the AI suggest styles based on your uploaded logo image. Now, let's choose a unique style to give our logo a fresh and vibrant look. Click on Tropical Poo for a tropical-inspired transformation. Click on Stylerize to apply the selected style to your logo image and witness the magic of AI. Take a moment to review the transformed logo and marvel at its digital makeover. Choose the digital logo image that best represents your brand or creative vision. Once on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to kick off our logo transformation process. Finally, select all images and click on Export to download your transformed hand-drawn logo in digital format. And there you have it, folks, with just a few clicks. We've transformed a hand-drawn logo into a sleek and professional digital masterpiece using AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to elevate your branding with digital art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.